Hello everyone. So we had been talking about credit system followed in All India Council for Technical Education. So there was some questions or some suggestions coming on the WhatsApp group that what is credit system which is followed in engineering college. So let us understand what is credit system. Let us take an example of semester-based system where every semester will have certain credit of the courses. Okay, so just to understand, 1 hour lecture per week will convert into 1 credit in a semester. And if it is say tutorial, then 1 hour of tutorial per week is also equal to 1 credit. And practical, 1 hour of practical is actually equivalent to 1.5 credits, and 2 hours of practical, which is a lab, per week is 1 credit. So whenever a course is designed, so it is assigned that how many lectures per week, how many tutorial per week, how many practical per week, and how many practical lab per week will be there, and accordingly number of credits are defined for a particular semester. So now let us take example of total number of class days. So in a semester which is a 6 month duration, so there will be holidays, there will be a 5 days working days, and there will be certain holidays. So generally there will be 75 class days in one semester, so that will convert into 15 weeks. If you divide 75 by 5, it is 15 weeks. So so 1 credit which is 1 hour lecture per week will translate into 15 lectures, because every week there is a 1 lecture, so total 15 weeks. So you have 15 lectures of 1 hour in the entire semester. So let us take one example. There is an elective course called ECEL09, which name is Mobile Communication and Networks. So which has got 3 lectures, 0 tutorial and 0 practical per week. So that is actually of 3 credits. So 3 lecture per week will convert into 3 credits. So what does that mean is that there will be 45 classes of 1 hour each. So total number of lectures in one semester will be 45 lectures of 1 hour each. So this is how credit system work in the colleges which follow AICTE. So generally the total number of credits in the entire course will be around 120. So every subject or every course will have certain credit, and those will get added. There are certain courses which is mandatory but do not have any credit, but those are mandatory to be passed. So there are courses where you have credit, there are courses which do not have credit, but those are mandatory. So I think now we have understood the credit system. Thank you. Thanks a lot.